This is Polo with AEvent support. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create timeline actions to subscribe to campaign, remove from campaign, and delete subscriber using your Keap integration. Please log in to your AEvent account. Once logged in, please open your timeline. From this page, click on Create Action. We'll have to set when we want our action to get triggered. For the purposes of this tutorial, I'll be setting the time to 1 minute after the webinar has started. I'll be selecting attendees as targets for this action. Let's select Keap from this list. Then, let's select Subscribe to Campaign as our desired action. Let's select the campaign we intend to add attendees to. Click on Create. We have successfully added the Subscribe to Campaign action to our timeline. Now let's create the action to remove from campaign. Like before, click on Create Action. This time, let's set it to 10 minutes after the webinar has started. Let's select Non-Attendees. Again, let's select Keap, then select Remove from Campaign. Let's select the campaign we want non-attendees to be removed from, then click on Create. Perfect. Lastly, let's create the action to delete subscriber. Again, let's click on Create Action. For this action, let's set it to 1 hour after the webinar has started. Let's select non-attendees again. Let's select Keap, then select Delete Subscriber. Click on Create. We have successfully created 3 timeline actions with Keap. That would be all for this video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please comment below, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel to get notified when we add more videos. Thanks again.